Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a BMW E46 and it's been painted. In the past they removed the side skirts, as you can see, and they broke the clips. So if you need to remove the side skirt, underneath there is 10 clips that will need to be removed of that kind. So we pull the center piece out and then the rest of the clip, and you just pull it. Okay, as you can see, those are the clips right there, and let me get a better view, and they clip right here. So those are broken, they don't have the teeth holding them anymore. And you can fix that on a BMW really simple. You need to get them, they have them online for I think 20 of them for $5, and they're the BMW factory clips. So what you need to do, you need to get a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and you need to pull that clip out of there, just like that. Okay, as you can see, this is the clip, it just goes inside one hole, and this one is broken there as well, so we need to remove this one too. And then we have one more on the bottom that we need to replace, so the side skirt will not be hanging and will not be sticking out. So now you need to get a new clip, and you need to make sure which way they go in order to hold the side skirt good. Okay, now the top ones go with the narrow part with the tooth right here up, and the bottom ones, the tooth needs to be pointing down, and you need to press them in. You can hear them clip. You can apply a little bit of oil on the side so they go in easy. Okay, like that. And then next you need to make sure that they're perfectly lined up, and you need to make sure that the groove goes in the canal. And that's how it clips, and it's not hanging. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.